Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix TikTok recharge problem. First of all, you can open the TikTok app. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it and you can go to the settings and privacy here. After this, you can scroll down and you can see the cache and cellular. Free up space, tap on it, and here you can clear cache or clear downloads. After this, the issue is solved. The issue is not solved, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the TikTok latest version. And you can update it the TikTok latest version. The problem is solved. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.